Hi guys, you might remember I downloaded this 3D printed rubber band gun, catapult, gun I suppose, from Thingiverse, printed it off, and it does work, but it's really designed for slightly smaller rubber bands than I've got, because when we load this one up, it's pretty weak. In fact, I'll just point that in the other direction so you can see. Right, so we load it up. On the next one. And so on, and then we fire it. So it works, but it's really not stretching those bands very far. The guy who actually designed it did that deliberately because he was using smaller bands. He does actually give the size details in his write-up. Anyway, I've done an extended barrel, so we're going to stretch the bands a bit further. Printed in 2 pieces because my printer won't print any longer than that. So it should fit together. A bit of gentle assistance. Okay, so that's our extended barrel. One of the nice things about this is it's just clipped together, it's not glued. So there we are, a longer barrel. So now we should be extending the bands a little bit further. Right, so let's turn around a bit. Try a bit of target practice. Yeah, that's a bit more powerful. Yeah, simple modification. So I think the guy had deliberately downgraded it so it was less powerful, and I've just upgraded it again. It works fine. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.